Let's see if we can hit water jugs over there. Well, I think they're dead, so let's go check them out. Well, here's one of them. Yeah, he looks pretty dead to me. A couple of BBs still in there. See them all over the bottom? That's one. Here's the other one. Oh yeah, this guy's definitely dead. Yep. Well, I guess they died.